So it's the end of day 3, I would say. From what I've read, the carnivore diet, there's no... it's actually a mixed bag. May magsasabi na you count your macros. Others are saying eat until you're full or eat when you're hungry. Wala pa ako sa ganun. Currently, while I'm doing my carnivore diet, I'm also incorporating intermittent fasting. Pero because of the amount of sugar, carbs, sweets that I'm cutting off, dun pa lang it's already going to help me lose weight. Again, what I'm after is not really the weight loss, but yung mga daing-daing ko sa katawan. Like my knees, my elbows, my knees, my ankles, my feet, my sleep apnea, and that's what they're claiming. Well, also yung medicines ko, that I would cut down on my medicines when I talk to my doctor. So, one thing that everybody talks about in this diet is yung tinatawag nilang, what they're saying, never trust a fart. Because and I'm already experiencing that. Nakakala ko utot, but it's not. May bonus. So if you're starting the carnivore diet, expect an adjustment. It's not gonna be a fart anymore. But then, kasi nga, ang tanong ng mga tao, paano yung when you do the number 2, it's gonna be difficult kasi kailangan ng fiber. I'm also reading that all you need to do is drink a lot of water. Some people are saying electrolytes, lagyan mo konting konting salt, but I'm just gonna trust in the water part. So what I ate for today, it's gonna be in the description below. It is not as sacred or hindi siya sobrang pure carnivore as what I'm reading. Basta you'll see in the description below. Feeling pretty good. Feeling more busog, I would say. So I think that's a good thing. Let's see how the week goes. I'm 4 days away from my first weigh-in after starting the carnivore diet. I'm thinking, again, because of the lahat ng nabawas sa kinain ko, I am thinking na there's gonna be some weight loss. So we'll see. I am starting to feel that my left knee nabawasan ng konti yung sakit. I don't know if it's psychological. I don't know. But we'll see as the day progresses. Ultimately, gusto ko sana like to go 365 days straight of pure carnivore. We'll see. So, if you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe and give me a comment. Let's talk. Para you can help me out if you are doing this also. If you have some questions, ask around. If you have some tips, suggestions, let me know as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.